My name is Soleil Yakita. I wrote this poem during a 14-day poetry workshop here at Atlantic Cape. It was during one of the winter semesters with Professor Rich Russell. It's called Sonnet number 1. In folklore wild and restless tales unwind, in hidden pages, places, hallowed ground, unravel secrets mortal and divine, do go and seek what yet remains unfound. Adventure, book in hand, by firelit warmth, to worlds of warlocks, witches, and wishing wells, where foolhardy knights hunt dragons but for sport, among illusions, magic, ruse, and spells. Yet where such greed and war and pain pervade, just under different nations' flags and stars, it seems a trickery, calling it escape, for save the face, the beast the same as ours. But lessen not a bit does the allure, 'tis fiction that the heart does hunger for.